Let's be honest, shopping for a robot vacuum in 2026 is a nightmare. There are literally hundreds of them, and they all promise to end your cleaning chores forever. Which ones are telling the truth? That's what we wanted to find out. So we spent the last month living with the top-rated models, turning our office into a disaster zone of spilled cereal, pet hair, and all sorts of obstacle course-level messes. We did this to see which ones get hopelessly stuck on a sock, which ones just smear messes around, and which ones actually do the job. So if you're tired of the hype, you're in the right place. We're about to make this decision very, very easy for you. To keep things 100% unbiased, we bought every single one of these robots with our own cash. No freebies, no sponsored nonsense. Each robot faced the same set of challenges, and we scored them all on how well they picked up debris on both hardwood and carpet, how they handled pet hair, how cleverly they navigated around furniture, and how little we had to babysit their self-cleaning docks. After a month of non-stop cleaning, 5 robots were clear standouts. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, our pick for the best for pet owners. iRobot is a name you can trust, and the J9 Plus is a tank, especially when it comes to pet hair. Its dual rubber brushes are brilliant at resisting those impossible hair tangles, a massive win. Plus, it comes with a pet owner's official promise, where they swear to replace the entire robot if it ever has an unfortunate run-in with solid pet waste. Main drawback? The base model is vacuum only, no mopping included, and while its navigation is great at avoiding your dog's favorite toy, it can seem a little less methodical than others. Still, for a powerful, pet-focused cleaner, it's a fantastic choice. Next up at number 4, we have the best for raw power, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav. This thing is pure Dyson. It has the most powerful suction of any robot we've ever tested, with claims of double the power of its competitors. On carpets, it's in a league of its own, pulling up deep-seated grime that other robots just glide right over. Its full-width brush bar cleans right to the edge of the wall, so you're not left with that annoying, dusty halo around every room. Compromises? It's only a vacuum with 0 mopping features, and it doesn't have a self-emptying dock, which feels like a miss at this price. But if what you crave is pure, unadulterated cleaning power, especially on carpets, this is your champion. Our number 3 spot belongs to the Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, our choice for the best hands-off mop. This is a premium, do-it-all system, but its mopping is where it really shines. Its dock is a work of art. Not only does it empty the dustbin, but it washes the mop pads with 60-degree ice hot water to dissolve oily stains and then dries them with hot air to keep things from getting smelly. Combined with powerful suction and smart, AI-driven navigation, it delivers a phenomenal clean. Its only real weaknesses are the sheer size of its docking station and an app that feels a bit less polished than the competition. For anyone who wants a robot that truly vacuums and mops with almost 0 effort on their part, the X2 Omni is a spectacular pick. Sliding into our number 2 spot and winning our award for best value is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. This robot is living proof that you don't need to drain your bank account for a top-tier clean. In our tests, it consistently matched or even beat the vacuuming performance of models that cost twice as much. It uses smart LiDAR navigation to map your home in minutes and cleans in satisfyingly efficient straight lines. The Plus model comes with a super reliable self-emptying dock, meaning you can forget about it for up to 7 weeks at a time. Its biggest downside is that it's a vacuum-only affair. But if you're looking for a powerful, intelligent, and shockingly affordable robot vacuum, the Q5 Max Plus is without a doubt the smartest buy on the market. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 pick for the best overall robot vacuum of 2026 is the Roborock Crevo Master. This machine is, simply put, the whole package. It finds the perfect sweet spot between insane cleaning power, brilliant navigation, and truly hands-free automation. It packs a staggering 10,000 pascals of suction power, which absolutely demolishes pet hair and debris on any surface. The mopping system is the real showstopper. It features a unique flexi-arm design, an extending mop that gets into corners and along edges better than any other robot we've tested. Its all-in-one dock is a masterpiece of convenience. It washes the mops with hot water, dries them, and empties the dustbin, making the whole process almost completely automated. And its reactive AI obstacle avoidance is best in class, expertly dodging forgotten shoes, charging cables, and other clutter that brings lesser robots to a grinding halt. Yes, it carries a premium price tag, but its performance, feature set, and sheer reliability are unmatched. It consistently delivered the best, most complete clean, making it our clear and undisputed winner. So, there you have it, our top 5 robot vacuums for 2026. As a quick recap, the Roborock Crevomaster is our best overall champion. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus gets the nod for best value. The Ecovacs X2 Omni is our top hands-off mop. The Dyson 360 VisNav brings the muscle, and the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is the one to get for pet owners. For the most up-to-date pricing on all these models, be sure to check the links in the description below. We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick for your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.